Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I have this. It's just a plastic bag here. You can't really see what it is, but it is a makeup bag. So my fiance's been looking for a makeup bag. So I figured I'd pick one up and see if she likes it. And this is what it looks like here. So this is it. It comes like that, and then you unfold it. And if you look down here, it's got a big old pouch for stuff with a little zipper pouch for things too. And then here you have your place for your brushes so they don't get all falling in there. You've got a little bungee strap. You've got this plastic cover to go over the brushes so the powder doesn't get everywhere. And in here it's got a little stretchy section too, so you can have like two little areas for stretchy stuff that just kind of goes on the side, and then your big area for all your random other stuff. Oh, there's another little pouch up here. So that's kind of what it looks like. So a bunch of little pouches. The outside is like that. And so this is what it looks like here. You can see it's probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 inches or so wide, and about 6 inches or 7 inches high, and maybe 4 or 5. So it's pretty cool. Let's see how the zipper works. Show you guys that. So, I don't have anything in it, so it's difficult to get it started. But here we go. So it zips up pretty easy. And then you got your little handle here. So looks good to me. Thumbs up. Links in the description. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.